In the Utah desert, fossils are plentiful if you know what to look for. On the ridge above the MDRS is a field of fossilized oyster shells between 60 million and 160 million years old, a clear sign that there was once water and marine life in what is today an arid desert. The strata, or different coloured layers so obvious in the desert landscape, tell a fascinating geological story. Each sedimentary layer represents a different period of geological progress and gives clues as to what was happening tens of millions of years ago. On Mars, with rovers such as Spirit, Opportunity and now Curiosity, NASA's strategy has been to understand what happened to Mars's water by looking for particular rocks or features, such as those that form when water is present, just as the Kiwi Mars crew is doing in Utah. Even on the observatory path beside the hab, there's evidence of past water activity. These little balls are called concretions.
And although they look man-made, they are actually perfectly natural. And they're made in a similar way to a pearl is made in an oyster, starting with a single grain, which then builds up over time, in this case, to become perfectly globe-shaped. Fascinating. But guess where else they're found?
That's right, on Mars. They were dubbed Blueberries by NASA scientists after they were discovered by Opportunity's close-up camera.
You can see that there's these beds that are kind of going like this. Yeah. And then right above it, some of them going like that. And then you see this layer here of rocks kind of extends into there. Totally different flow regimes. This tells you something about the speed of the flowing water that deposited the formation.
Halfway through the mission, the Kiwi Mars crew hosts a visit by scientist John Rusk from NASA Ames in California.
So you can see how narrow this is. This was a fast-flowing regime of water here, probably similar to what we were just standing on.
John was a member of just the second crew to stay at the Mars Desert Research Station and has extensive knowledge not just of the Utah landscape, but what to look for in terms of water, fossils and other evidence of life.
The environment around the hab is very interesting, and it is relevant to Mars exploration.